Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to allow everyone to look you up with your email address on Facebook using your PC. If you want to expand your visibility and make it easier for others to find you, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile photo from the top right corner. Step 3. Click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Click on Settings. Step 5. Click on Privacy. Step 6. Next to Who can look you up using the email address you provided, click on Edit. Step 7. Click on the drop-down menu to open it. Step 8. Select Everyone. By following these simple steps, you can allow everyone to look you up using your email address on Facebook. This will increase your visibility and make it easier for others to connect with you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends who might also want to learn how to expand their visibility on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.